still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a wig install. This is actually my first time installing a wig in this channel, but first we're going to unbox this hair by HERGIVENHAIR. As you can see, it came in a very good packaging. I actually felt like I was unboxing a luxury bag, so I'm going to show you guys everything that came in this package. And it came with 2 wig caps, the wig itself. This is a 3B 3C wig. It also came with a satin wig bag. Yeah, you can use this to store your wig. And it came with a written thank you card, a written note, and also a wig manual. So first, I'm going to start by saying that this wig is so soft. This is like one of the most natural looking wig I've ever seen, and as you can see, the lace matches my skin. Like, you can't tell me this wig is not actually growing from my hair. Like, it's so soft, and it has elastic bands, like a strap that you can use to hold the wig in place, and also combs. And with this, your wig is not going to shift all day. So look at that lace. And it also came with extra combs in case anything happens to the one on your wig. So I used the got2b glue to lay down my wig. I didn't use any kind of extra glue or anything. I just used the got2b spray and used it to lay it down. And now I am tying it down with an elastic band. Yeah, an elastic band. So I'm going to go ahead and detangle and moisturize this hair. I'm actually going to define the coils more, so you guys are going to see how good this hair is. I used the Aunt Jackie's coiling custard to define my coils, and I actually brushed it out a little bit. So I'm going to allow you guys to watch me detangle this hair and style it. A separate styling video will be coming up for this particular hair. I'll show you guys how to style your coily wigs and show you guys different ways you can actually style your coily wigs. This wig is giving everything it's supposed to give. Like, you guys can't even argue this one with me. I look cute, I look so beautiful with this wig. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched to this point and you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.